This is from your Uncle Patrick and Auntie Amy.
It's a box. It's filled with the box. Keep going.
What it is. Come on, rip it up. Do little pieces. The smaller pieces. I think the smaller.
He's very careful at unwrapping presents. It's funny. It's like, let me get all the paper off.
Yeah, I think he's the smaller the pieces.
I think you might need a knife to open it. Oh, it was open on the other side.
Now it's open.
As I just see it pop open on the other side.
Lift.
What's that?
Holy cow. Can you pull it out?
Wow, truck. With little trucks.
What's that? Oh, you have a whole bunch of little trucks in
Yeah.
there?
Okay, it's official. He likes it.
And just for Patrick and Amy.
Nice. All right.
Good boy.
Wait.
Do it.
Throw it, son. Hey, Liam, can you throw the paper?
Good job. Okay.
Throw it at the camera.
That's for Uncle Patrick.
Throw it at the camera.
Hi. Okay.